On this video, I show you how to upload a custom font on your Canva account. Okay, so subscribe my channel, like the video, and share this video with your friends. Okay, so the first way is go to the main dashboard of the Canva and go to brand here. Click on set up your brand kit. Scroll down and you see here it's fonts. So I will click here add new and I will choose upload the font. I am already download a font from Google Font, so I will upload the file here. So choose file like that, and I go to where I download the font. Sorry, so I have these two fonts. I will upload the first one. Click open, choose a file, and click open. So they say, please confirm the following. Okay, so I click yes, upload away, and the font right now it's uploading. Please wait, and it's done. It's already downloaded. So this is the first way, and the second way it's when you want to create something like YouTube. Just an example, YouTube thumbnail, and you want to you start creating your design. So you can upload the font right now by go to the texts, and after that uh, I will see the fonts here. I can see all, so I click one of these and I just example. Okay, so I click on one of these, and right now I need to go here to the fonts lists and go to upload the font. Okay, and the same thing, I will go to the font that I want to upload. I upload that, open, yes, and I wait, and everything will be good after finishing this. So as you can see here, the font is uploaded. Okay, so please, if you need something, if you want to ask me about something, you can put a comment, and don't subscribe, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video, and share the video with your friends. Thank you.